What's going on, guys? Dwayne here representing WGD. Well, god damn. Today we're going to be looking at the Smok species kit. Okay, yes, I know it's Smok. People are like, you Smok, Smok, shit, yeah, man. Hey, it's Smok, man. Listen, let me just review this for you guys, okay? And it's Smok. Just stay in, please. Don't leave the video. Stay in, okay? Right? So let's not waste time. Let's dive down in the box. Let's dive down, sorry. So you get in the box and whatnot. We'll go back up top, vape this, and I'll tell you guys my thoughts. And yes, let's go. Hey, goddamn. So here is the box itself, okay? Well, it's empty because there's a reason why. We'll get to that in a minute. So, box itself, you can see it. V2, all the, yeah, you know all how it goes. Coils as well, okay, and scratch and check, and then components at the back. So now we'll get to the box itself. Okay, usual Smok box. Nothing has changed or anything. Let's open this. You do get the kit right here. I've got it in white and red. Let's get to that in a minute. And all the components on the inside, you do get your battery check as normal, which is also always good, okay, always good. And then warranty and user manual as normal. And then the reason why is because I've got the bubble glass and I've got juice in it, okay, right? So you do get, well, you have to buy the bubble glass separate, yeah, your normal 2 ml capacity. And then I think this is a 5, 4, 5. Can remember? I think it's 5 or 8. I can't remember. I'm not too sure. I said it on a separate box, but yeah, I've got the bubble glass, USB, spare accessories and whatnot. Okay, and then your coil, and this one is the dual coil. So we'll get a nice close up on it. Okay, there you go. So this one is 70 to 120 to 85 to, what is that one? 105, okay. Dual mesh coil, as you can see the mesh right there. So weird, I've never seen that type of like pattern mesh. Yeah, okay. I've not tested this one, I'm still going on the first coil. And you got your minimum line, so if your juice goes in lower than that line, fill it back up, okay, because mesh burns quicker, okay. So what we'll do is put it back in, put all the components back in, and the glass, we're not going to use the straight glass because the capacity is too low for me. So what we'll do is we'll get to the tank first. So here is the tank itself, okay. It's standard, well, this is a different type of drip tip, and I always struggle to get this off. I'm not going to bother get this off, but you can see how it's different now. So you can't put like a custom one on because there's this metal piece on the inside, okay. But standard Smok, you do have your locking system with the arrow, which you can't see here, it's in white. You push that and push away, and there you go. You do have your juice well. You can see the coil on the inside, your juice well here. Now the difference with this one is normally you get that rubber sealant on here. This one doesn't now, because people always come back, oh, it's snapped or anything. I don't know how to snap the rubber sealant on the inside, but this one's flush now, so there's not on there, and it's easy to close. Clip it in place, you feel a click, and done. Okay, nice little design with the bubble glass as well. You can clearly see your coil in the middle. Okay, red O-ring, triple airflow. Okay, and it's got a stopper. Whatever you adjust on this one will be the same on the other two. Okay, and at the bottom you have designed by Smok, C, don't vape in a bin, and then your 510 pin with a little insulator right there. Okay, and that is pretty much it. Triple mesh coil this one is, and I'm gonna say this now off the bat, I've been enjoying this. I have actually been enjoying this. Okay, good flavor. But anyway, we'll get to the mod now. Okay, so just zoom out slightly. There you go. Get some focus form. So it's actually a nice design, you know. It's for Smok, it's quite a nice design. Okay, it's just, there you go. You can see your screen, Smok there, one function button, USB port, which is type B, Okay, then you got your 510 spring, well, your 510 base here. The width, you're looking around 30 mil. So this actually fits a 30 mil. I'm gonna show you now. I've got the FP right here, yeah. I'm just gonna quickly, let me just get some focus form going on. Right, I'm gonna get you a nice close up. Look at that. There's no overhang on the sides or the front at all. So this fits up to a 30, which is pretty crazy. And it's not a big, it's not a tall device as well. Okay, it's not a tall device at all. That's why I want this to stay. There you go, let's stay there. And then you got your side fire right here. Very clicky. Okay, it's at the bottom, you won't fire. Halfway, it's very stiff. And it's a bit more looser there. Okay, and at the back, species, nice honeycomb style design. Okay, a little red going on. And at the bottom, you got your battery door as well. Okay, your battery door. Let's get some focus for right there. Okay, got seed up every bin. Pull that, lift it up. Okay, and you do have your indication, which is in white. Yay! Plus and minus, so you can see what's going on. And on the inside, you got your plus and minus in red and blue as well. Pretty straightforward. Well, now we're gonna get some batteries. Some batteries going on. So minus and then positive. There you go. Push that down. Oh, if you're gonna push in. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see Smok. We'll load up species. There you go. 1 second. Let me just clean this goddamn screen. There you go. Right. So you do have your menu, your lock, your battery indication. You can see your wattage going on here. Normal wattage, so at least you know your numbers. Plus and minus. You got your ohms. You got your ohms. Yeah, your ohms and volts. Sorry, I got confused then. Pretty straightforward. Okay, this button as well. If I press and hold, it will unlock the screen. So I can actually go up and down. If I go all the way down for pressing, it's a touch screen as well. Okay, all the way down to 1 watts, and let's hold this, and it goes all the way round to 230 watts. There you go. Let's put this back down. Okay, to there. Right, and then these box at the top, tap that. There you go. You got your menu system. You got your puff counter here. You've got your puff counter, which you won't be using anyway. You can reset it or go back. And then this one is your wattage mode, TC mode, temperature control, which rarely anyone's going to use. And you can change your wattage here up and down, like preheat. If you let's go back on it. You got your soft, normal, hard, or max. Okay, for your vapor production. TC mode, you can see here, titanium, Ni 200, stainless steel, TCR. Do you know what I mean? So you can adjust everything here, which is pretty good. Okay. And go back to wattage mode. Go back on this one, this side, your settings. Okay, so your ohms, you can adjust your ohms from there, factory reset or power off from this way. Okay, let's go back. This one at the bottom is your color, so you can change your display color, red, do you know what I mean, green, white, blue. I'm gonna go to red. Okay, match with the theme, and that is pretty much it. If you wanna lock it, when you lock it, okay, press and hold this button, you see the lock screen come on. Okay, and if you tap it, you'll fire, but it'll be still locked. Okay, so this is more of a stealth mode. If you to turn the screen off and then click it again, the screen comes on. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The fire button is locked, so the screen's still locked and the fire button's locked as well, so you cannot fire at all. 1, 2, 3 to come out of it is unlocked. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Power off, press yes. There you go, power off. So that's another way of doing it. 5 clicks to turn it on and off. or you can go in the menu system and turn it off, which is a little bit longer. You might as well press the fire button. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. There you go, and it turns back on, and that's as simple as it is. Let's screw this on here. Okay, I want to change my color. What's going on here? Oh, I've got it locked. Unlock. There you go. Go back. Color. Red. Nice. Match it up. Okay. I'm gonna put this. This coil is 90 to 140 and best at 110 to 120. Let me just double check that. To 130, sorry. Which is pretty straightforward. There's nothing much more about this device as well. That's it. Or, you know what, I kept on. That's why. I don't know how did I forget? Oh my gosh, at least I got a fresh screen. So, and yeah, let's open this airflow. Let's close it off a little bit. I've been vaping this coil around 110. That feels like the sweet spot for me. 110, and it's pretty straightforward, do you know what I mean? And also it is 0.1 increments until you get to 100. Okay, let's pull it up. 97. Yeah, and then a 1 increment. There you go. And that's pretty much it for this device, man. That's as simple as it is. There's nothing more about it. It's very straightforward. Yeah, and it's actually really small in the hands. Look at that. Look how small it is in the hands. Very nice, and it's not too big and compact. So yeah, let's go back up top. Let's vape this and I'll give you guys my thoughts. So yes, that was a Smok species kit. Okay, got it in like a nice white and red, a nice finish actually. I do like this finish. Okay, let's have a few talks. 110 watts. I've locked it in place. I've got the airflow quarter way down, and I've also got the one juice, which is like a apple cinnamon bun type of flavor. Yeah. Let's have it fully airflow open. Nice flavor. I'm being honest, nice flavor. The coil, like a mesh again, is still innovative to this day. We're in the New Year's now. Mesh is gonna be going up and onwards in standard sub-ohm tanks, okay? And this coil is triple coil for me personally. For me, whoever's tried it, it's a nice. You get a very nice flavor off of this. Okay, this is my first coil. I ain't gonna. You see my second coil. I ain't gone to that yet. I've been on this for about 2.5 weeks now. A couple of weeks now. Nice flavor. Okay. Look, I'll be honest again. I'm not a Smok fan, yeah. I ain't no Smok fan, but this is a good piece of kit. This is all around a nice sturdy kit. This is, do you know what I mean? If they just made more kits, good looking and sturdy. Plus it's got a new chip as well. Okay, new chip. There you go. It's compact as well. Yeah, very compact. It's not massive. Very small. Nice size. Okay. Ergonomical. Right? Simple. Straightforward. The screen is basic. You can, do you know what I mean? Touch screen and whatnot. Lock it. Put it in stealth mode so you can't see the screen, but you can still fire. Okay? If you want to see the screen, press it again if it's still locked. Done. This coil's coming out of 0.14 dot. Yeah. And I just like it. I like the screen's nice and bright as well. Okay? I can see what's going on. I can see my batteries. I can see everything. I can see it's just simple. It is set out, laid out nice. Okay? The screen. The design is nice as well. Very good looking mod for Smok as well. Again, to carry on making stuff like this, nice sturdy, do you know what I mean? Even like the HPriv 2 for example. Good sturdy mod. Some of the old mods have done well. There's some that's out there. It's just not good. I'm gonna be honest, man. It's not good, man. A lot more problems than normal. I had no issues with this as well. Okay, no problems with this at all. And there's another device. It's even newer than this. Still dual battery, and it's more compact. I think it's a tad smaller than this, and it's dual battery, 18650. Okay, come on, man. You can. Yes, some tanks are loud, really loud, but flavour is nice. Do you know what I mean? Okay, I can't say much about this, but I'm enjoying it. I've been enjoying it for the past couple of weeks. I've been really enjoying it. So yes, let's look at the price points. Okay, if I missed anything out beforehand, no, I haven't. I don't think. Besides, obviously, the height 92mm, width 65, and then diameter, which I showed you with the FP RTA 30mm width. There you go, nice and simple. Now, obviously, the safety features on top of that: 10-second overheat, discharge, puff monitoring system. There's all sorts. Okay. So don't worry about that, and it's firmware upgradable, obviously, with the USB. Don't use a USB to charge your batteries because they're charging balance. Use a charging bay to charge your balance. You all know that by now. If you still don't know that, there's something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. Okay. Now you can get it various colours. You've seen that one. You can get it in the black and red. There's blue. There's gold. There's stainless steel. There's a 7 colour as well. Yeah. 7 colour, there's various colours, and you are looking between £50 and £60 for the full kit. £50-60. I think that's kind of a reasonable price. I must say, like, I just leave it about 55 in the middle, or about 50 to 55. I'd put it as that, do you know what I mean? But £50-60, not so bad. Yes, it's Smok. If you don't mind it, there you go. You know what I said on it. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the device. So you can go look around on our website or any sites and purchase it if you want to purchase it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and a subscribe, which would be much appreciated. Okay, so if it's a thumbs down, let me know why in the comments so I can improve, and I will see you guys in the next one. Well, God damn. Peace.